Well, I guess this is our will it run. I think it'll run with a battery. Take the old girl out, fire her up. Let's see. I think we got a tripod here we can record with possibly. Will it run? We don't know. We open the hood here. That's a little bit different. We got a big battery here. Positive and wow, we need some maybe back care after this one. But underneath the hood of this truck is a, I think it's a 460. And that's what the tag tells us. It's a 1974 460. You want to come over and take a look? Let's see. Here we go. My hands are always in the way. Pretty big. So, I don't know if you like to hook up your power first or your ground first. I'm kind of old school, I like the power first. See if any squirrels were in here eating anything. Nope. I don't know. But over here, it's telling us what we got. And it's a 460. There's nothing in their way there. But maybe we should get rid of the Silverado out of the way right now. Just in case we have some backfires and hiccups, because, you know, as she's a Ford, there's no doubt in my mind she's going to want to get the old gas pedal stomp. But what a truck. It's not my truck, it's the customer's truck that was in storage here, but we're going to be doing body shop again. This is a body shop from the 50s and 60s. This is how the guys used to do it. And gals, I guess. I'm not sure, you know, 50s stuff was weird. Anyways, I guess this is where the vent used to go out, but we're gonna put another fan in it. But the old shelf is pretty neat to me. Probably some other painters and stuff too. That's where we have all the paint at. So we'll be moving some stuff over here maybe. I guess they had the paint right where they painted. It's all the primers and the tests, someone's hand. I think these guys like to have a good time too. Seen this one other day, Alpine beer. That's an old bottle. There's a couple in there. Anyways, we'll just leave them in there. But yeah, this is going to be the spray booth. What a truck this is though. Old Ford. See if I can find somewhere for you to sit and watch me curse about it. Maybe we'll just try to get you right in here. Right on the battery. Wonder how good that is. Flop right off. Probably not great. We'll try her on the radiator. Maybe even worse. Oh, look at this. The perfect little platform, I would say. We can set you up here somewhere with my hand over there. Nice. So yeah, we'll see if we got any power. He wants to go right away. No power in the dash. But I think I'm going to take 2 seconds to move this truck out of the way. We got power to the battery. That's a great thing. May as well run some, huh? Now we're going to see. We had a little kick there. Maybe I'll just give it a couple of squirts of gas. 1, 2, 3 or something. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if she'll go. Oh, we didn't go. 1, 2, 3. not gonna start. I doubt it. I think she's all tuned up. I think she's just a matter of pumping her. I'm gonna take a little sniff and see if we have any gas. She's all tuned up. I was told put the battery in her, pump her like an old Ford, and she'll start right up. It's not my truck, so I don't want to get into it too much. If it doesn't start, it doesn't start right now until I get the go ahead to turn a wrench on it. Maybe we'll even push it off the head a little bit. I love pushing them. That battery, the weight of it. See how we do here. Try 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10 might be the magic number. She almost went. So we'll try it again. No one's going to be excited if they plug in their old car and see if it runs in 50 years. But that was pretty good. She hasn't run in a couple of years. What was it, 10, 15 pumps, and she started right up. Well, we asked if it would run, and of course the 74 464 it'll run. She'll run, and she'll do fencing all day, I bet. But her fencing days are probably over. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Anyways, we'll get her outside. Here we go. We're going to try to run out the door with the old Ford. Let's see if I can get you somewhere to watch her go out. First time in a couple of years. There. We'll see. Oh boy, we got lights on. A crazy little speaker in the hum. We should turn that off. There. Drive your ears bonkers. But we know she runs. We're going to take her outside. Give me another little look at it before I shut her down. See what she looks like in the rain. If I can should clean out rain. Better check that mirror, actually, going out our door. Oh, we got lots of room. We'll crank her back up and go. Did you hear the starter slip? Fella might be doing a little bit more work yet. Guess we don't have a safety neutral switch. She wasn't in park, she was in reverse. Probably didn't have them things in back in the day. Yeah. The toaster. She's the camper special, F-250. Wheaton Motors Limited, Vulcan, Alberta. All the way across the country from where we're at. What a truck. 2 tanks on it, prairie trucks, farm trucks. But I think the scratches on the side and everything, I believe she was doing a lot of fencing. Especially out the back here. Probably just running the reels right off of it. Worn right down. Pretty nice. Not my truck. I would love to own it, but not my truck. And it's got the toolbox on the side too. Red Horse beer, extra strong. I don't like them extra strong beers. 1, 2, 3, what happened? Down for the 10 count. There you have it though. Few years since it's been outside. She started right up on what, 10, 14, 15 pumps. She needs a little work no doubt, but I thought that was pretty nice.